Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this powerful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to find and highlight duplicate sentence in Word quickly and efficiently. Whether you are editing reports, articles, research papers, or lengthy documents, this method helps you identify repeated content instantly. Duplicate sentence can reduce document quality, so mastering this technique is essential for professional writing and editing. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now you can see here assignment and here including many pages. Now I want to find duplicate and highlighted this. Go to the home menu and click this find option, and we can see here open a navigation bar. Now I am write something like I am write can. Then we can see the can word here serial by serial, and the page highlighted the can word easily. You can see we make it very easily. Otherwise you can find another text like is. Now we can see we find and highlighted duplicate sentence easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.